Despite my flaws, despite my shortcomings, my looks, my income, I liked it. I love me. When you love yourself, you treat yourself as such. To be in that place as a human being, to love yourself enough to say, you know what? I understand my value. And because I understand my value, I'm going to treat myself in every area of my life the best way I can. Be the best version of me. I may slip here and there, but my love is stronger than my hate. My love is stronger than my weakness. My love is stronger than my doubt. If your love is the epitome of you, then you'll always win in life.
People are spending the majority of their life waiting for something out there to take away their emptiness or pain or the resentment in here. Well, they're waiting their whole life in separation or lack, then and we create reality, then the lack is driving certain thoughts, which is creating more separation, more lack. Let's stop telling the story of your past and let's start telling the story of the future. And
all right, we're gonna start. We're gonna start with gold. We got the weekly high for gold at 4077.74. The weekly low at 4042.73. So the high is 4077.74. Four zero 77.74. And the low is 4042.73. Given a midweek resistance of 4060.23. It looks like gold has been in somewhat of a consolidation. We have a lot of unclear price action happening right here over the last couple of days. When you get this bottom and top wick like this, like it wicking like this, there's no clear direction of which way it's going to move. Right here in this area is where we have gold rejecting that right now. So this is the area. Where we see it rejecting from. But right now, it's no clear direction. So we needed to break above the 132. A clear break above. Uh-oh. Even though right here it's within a 4-hour order block. We have it in the area of buy right here. It is within a 4-hour order block. It is above the mid-month and it's showing rejection at that weekly low, which is also within this 4-hour order block. This is the actual 4-hour order block. Um, I will look into for it to buy out of this area here in London session. Wait for the confirmation before you enter. Confirmation, we're gonna go to the DXY first before we mark up the 30 and yeah, the DXY have made a new high on the monthly. So the new monthly high on the DXY is 100.395. So the high is 100.395 and the low is 98.523. Given the mid-month of 99.459. We got a weekly high of 100.297. And a weekly low of 99.578. So we got the high 100.297 and a weekly low 99.578. Given a midweek of 99.938. And we got the dollar in a sell zone. It's within a daily bearish order block, and it retested the high and it's selling back down. So we could be likely looking at buys for gold. This breakdown, we're gonna be seeing buys or gold. Look like the 30 is breaking trend. All right. Rolling. Got the weekly high at 46,929.8. And the weekly low at 45,760.9. Weekly low is 46,309.6. The weekly high, 46,929.8. The weekly low, 46,309.6. Given a midweek resistance of 46,619.7. Then we got the 30 change in direction. We got the 30 change in direction right here. Confirm retest on a monthly low. Doji flat on a daily. Looking, the 30 is setting up for a nice buy. That's why I'll be looking to take the buy at on 30. Out. And such a stop. Such a stop underneath the weekly low. And you can set your take profit for the weekly high. And take this in New York session. I don't trade out of session. So that's where I'm looking into it. Yeah, sorry. And now it's made a new monthly low. It rejected the mid month and made a new monthly low, and it's pulling back up. So the new month's low on the Nasdaq is 16980.20. Looking at the low is 23,842. Looking at 16. 23,842.98. We got the high 26, 163.32. The low 23,842.98. Given a new mid-month resistance of 25,003.15. We got the weekly high of 24,932.76. And a weekly low of 24,293.16. Weekly high 24,932.76. Weekly low 24,293.16. Give it a midweek resistance of 24,612.96. And now it's coming back up to the new candle open above the weekly low. Okay. So I'm using a 4-hour trend on NAS to look for entry. That'll be look what I'm targeting for NAS. That would be what I'm targeting for now within this 4-hour order block here. Go over to Bitcoin. I was looking at this earlier. And just see that Bitcoin is within a weekly order block, projecting out of a weekly order block. Nice area for buy for Bitcoin. We got the weekly high 112, the monthly high 112, 183. Sorry, that 90. Monthly low is 85.24.65. So the monthly high 112, 183.90, and the low 85.24.65. Given a mid-month resistance, 96, 354.28. So for the weekly, we got the weekly high at 96, 951.26, and the weekly low at 85,906.83. These cryptos is setting up. A lot of these cryptos are setting up to buy. I also have marked up XRP too, and I'm gonna show y'all that we in the area for buy for crypto. The weekly high 96, 951.26, 85,906.83. Giving mid-month resistance. Mid-month of 91, 429.05. Yeah. So we got Bitcoin buying back up. In the area. Of Bitcoin look like it's in a good entry for buy. I'm looking for Bitcoin to continue back up. It already been rejecting from the monthly low of 80,000. It's already at 87. It's already showing that it's changing direction. We got a change in direction on the daily. And I was also looking at some other cryptos. As y'all know, if y'all taking a trade in Bitcoin, I will also recommend buying some crypto in your crypto wallet as well. Don't just take the trade in your account. Also take the trade inside your crypto. Also buy inside your crypto wallet. Bitcoin is an area for buy. So is XRP. Yeah, yeah. That's why I was already looking at this. Like XRP is in a nice area for um buying. This is where it bought from. You see this? I had marked this area off earlier. I was seeing this on a weekly. This is the low it comes into and buys back up. So, you know, if y'all buy crypto, but if you don't, XRP is definitely something that you want to get. Definitely want something, a crypto that you want to have in your wallet because it is the processing system for it's the processing system that they're gonna process the cryptos on. So like all these places that y'all seeing except crypto, XRP is the processing system. I don't know if y'all been seeing the commercials for Ripple, but that's what Ripple is. It's XRP, and it's the payment process, the global payment processing system for crypto. And right now, it's in the area where it came to where it rejects out of. It came into that area, so it's definitely an area for buying right now. I don't trade it in my trading account, but I do own it in my crypto wallet. Um, so if you don't have some, now is the time you might want to get some because every time it came to this area, it bought back up. Every time, always pull back up from where it came to. One, two, three, four, five. So for gold, I'm looking for gold to buy. Looking at this is also the area where it's been rejecting from right here. So I am looking for a change of direction for gold, especially because where the DXY is at, and it's in daily 4 hour bearish order block. It retested the high and been breaking low from the high. So I'm looking for gold to start buying. You got US 30 already changing direction. So I'm looking for a buy on US 30. Also looking for a buy on NAV. Gotta change the direction here too. And Bitcoin. Has rejected the $80,000 low and pulled back up. At an area for buy. So I will also be looking for a buy on Bitcoin as well.
Somebody made cold water? Somebody made cold water?
Any questions? Or anything y'all need me to mark up? Okay. So y'all got which pairs we looking at and which ones we getting into. Also, if you don't got those cryptos, right now we are in the area of buy for Bitcoin, for XRP, for Ethereum. If you don't got them in your wallet, you want to get some now. Now is the time where you will be to go and buy because you buy in a dip. Okay, we got the dip in the market. Now is the time to go in and to get to fund your crypto wallet. If you don't got a crypto wallet set up, I advise you to set one up. A safe crypto wallet that I use is Exodus wallet. That's one where you own your own keys. So I do recommend getting you an Exodus wallet. They do have the app on your phone, and make sure you keep your code and everything safe. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end it, and I'm gonna have this call posted within like the next couple hours.
Starlight.
Yes.
Speak to you.
Okay.
Credit.
Got you.